Union Minister Sadanand Gowda of Karnataka was accused today of flouting the air safety and quarantine norms after landing at institutional quarantine and straight away was driven to his official residence. Karnataka has a provision of compulsory 7-day quarantine for anyone who arrives from states like Delhi. The minister, speaking exclusively to India Today, justified his violatory move, saying since he's the minister in charge of pharmaceuticals, he's exempted from the norm. However, the Karnataka government's notification on quarantine exemption doesn't mention the pharma sector under the exempted category. So what is Minister Sadanand Gowda really talking about?
I have gone to various states when I was there at Delhi. But I thought that flying by a charter flight or special flight, it is not fair. So today I came over here. I am having a meeting at 4 o'clock with the ministers of Karnataka government, health minister, the deputy chief minister and all that. What are the situations, how the medicines are supplied, is there any scarcity? So if I am quarantined, what will happen, sir? If the doctors are quarantined, if the persons who are supplying medicines are quarantined, if the nurses are quarantined, what will happen? So they can't equate me with the other persons.
Well, earlier Union Minister Sadanand Gowda spoke to my colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who was the first journalist to get a reaction from the minister who is perceived to have violated quarantine norms. Here's what he told India Today's Nagarjun.
There's a lot of news that you came in from Delhi and not under institutional quarantine. The rules are that anyone who comes from Delhi should go under institutional quarantine, sir.
Sir, I am a pharma minister, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is my responsibility to tour across the country, and I should see that the sufficient production is there, sufficient supply is there. So, exemption, in the exemption clause, it is clearly mentioned that any persons pertaining to pharma sector, they are allowed to move across the country.
Okay, sir. But how long is your trip going to be? So how long will you be in Bangalore, sir?
Sir, that I don't know. Today afternoon, I am going to have a meeting with the health minister, Karnataka.
Okay.
Tomorrow, I am planning to go to Kerala. There also, I want to have a meeting with the health minister and the health secretary.
Okay.
So, in the southern parts of the country, because I could not come over here, there was no domestic flight so far.
Okay.
So, I could not able to come over today. Domestic flight started. I had been to Himachal Pradesh. I had been to that areas near in and around Delhi.
Okay.
So I don't know why.
So because a lot of people on Twitter and social media are questioning that why is the rules different for a minister and common people?
Sir, there are few medias which doesn't have any other news. So they will make this news. I am sorry to say this.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath live with us from Bengaluru. Naga, make this clear for us. Was this a violation or was it not? The notification says nothing about such exemptions, for the pharma sector or for ministers or anything like that. So why is Mr. Sadanand Gowda not in quarantine?
Well, absolutely. This is a brazen violation of the lockdown norms as well, because Karnataka government notification clearly mentions the exemption properly for people over 80 years, children below 10 years, cancer patients, and people with other duties like ambulance drivers and medical staff. Nowhere does it mention pharma sector industry workers, neither the minister. It is understood that the minister will also have to go under institutional quarantine. The passengers who flew with him were taken in ambulances or bus. But except for Sadanand Gowda, who walked straight away through the exit gate and drove home, a clear violation of the government. His defense is that I came here for a meeting. The Prime Minister himself is doing meetings via video conference call. Why isn't that Sadanand Gowda is doing the same? Because he comes from Delhi, which is a hot spot. More than 10,000 cases or such cases there. And Karnataka has just seen 2,000 cases. That's the whole reason why Karnataka government has put in such norms. But clearly, the central minister here is violating the norms and drove home, and now he's meeting officials also.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.